Come on guys, we'll continue now. Take out your notebooks. Okay, so what I usually like to do after the mid-semester is the mid-semester. So we're going to run through the questions now and look at the answers, okay? So you'll know pretty quickly whether today went well or poorly for you. How about you asking me? I'm going to do the answers right now. So, write them down. Okay, first question. Easy peasy. What is the equation of the line from the point 3 minus 1 to 2, 3? Yeah? So first we get the m, which will be 3 minus 1 over 2 minus 3, right? Which is minus 4. So y equals mx plus c. Put in the c. I get 3 equals minus 8 plus c. C equals 11, right? So the first answer is y equals minus 4x plus 11. Now, on your exam, give yourself a tick or an X if you think you got it right or wrong. Then we'll see. I couldn't forget already. You just did it like an hour ago. Okay, number 2. Find the equation of the line which is parallel to x minus 2y plus 3 equals 0 and passes through the point 8, 13. So for this line, the slope equals a half. So you have y equals a half x plus c. So you get 13 equals 4 plus c. So c equals 9, isn't it? So you get y equals a half x plus 9. Now, if you think you got that right, give yourself a tick, and if you got it wrong, an X.
So if you make the mistake of putting like 13 is equals to a half x plus, like you put the values of y and x.
Then I'm giving you 0.
Huh?
Then you get 0 for that question.
The whole question is 0.
Yeah, the whole question is 0. Yep. 3. You want to solve 2x minus 4y equals 8 and minus 4x plus 5y equals minus 13, right? So, I don't know, multiply this by 2. So you get 4x minus 8y equals 16. Marvon, come on. Don't talk when I'm talking, please. Add together. Minus 3y equals 3. So did you get y equals minus 1? And if you sub that in there, that's x equals 2. So 2 minus 1 is the answer. Okay, then you know you got 1 wrong. So 4. Multiply x plus 2 by x squared minus 3x plus 2. So that's equal to x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x plus 2x squared minus 6x plus 4. Isn't that right? Yeah. So what's that? X cubed minus x squared minus 4x plus 4? Is that right? If you think you got that, give yourself the mark. Five. 5 root 6 plus 3 root 10 times 7 root 6 minus root 10. Okay, let's multiply that out. 5 times 7 is 35. And 210, thank you. 210 minus 300? No, what am I saying? Sorry. Minus 5 root 60 plus 21 root 60 minus 30. Yeah? 180 plus 8 plus 16 root 60.
It's not the simplest.
Oh yeah, 60 you can change into 4 times 15, isn't it?
55
The 60, root 60 is root 4 times 15, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that's 2 root 15. So 32 root 15. Okay, next one is complete the square. So do some of you still have 5 out of 5 so far? Strictly.
Okay, so like, how
Only
many
the
points
final
are
answer I am making.
how many points for like number 5? How many points are for like the whole?
All the points are for number 5, full answer.
Yeah, what I'm saying is like, okay, so like there's a mark for this one.
No. Right or wrong, that's it.
Wow.
Yeah. This level is too easy for you to be getting partial credit.
Okay.
You need to be getting these fully right at this level. Yeah. Sorry man, it's too basic at this level.
No, I didn't miss anything.
Okay, fine. Go. 6. 2x squared plus 12x plus 15. Complete the square. That's 2x squared plus 6x plus 15 over 2. That's 2x plus 3 squared, isn't it? And then it's 15 over 2 minus 9 minus 3 over 2. So the answer is 2x plus 3 squared minus 3. So again, if you think you got that right, give yourself a mark. Now, let's see if people got number 7 right. Now, the first part to look at is this. X squared minus 5x minus 6 less than or equal to 0. So that's x minus 3 and... No, it's not. It's x minus 6 and x plus 1 less than or equal to 0. Minus 1 and 6. Under or over? Under. And I also tell you x could be an integer. So x could be minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I'm not finished. Because I also tell you that 8 over x must be more than 4. Or that's another way, if I divide both sides by 4, I can say 2 over x must be more than 1. Isn't that right? Yeah. Now, we have a small problem straight away. We can see one answer here we can delete. What answer? 0. Because we can't have 2 over 0 is more than 1. Okay. What answer do I also delete? Minus 1. Is a negative more than a positive? No. Could I have 1? 2 over 1 is more... Yeah, okay. Could I have 2? No. Could I have 3? No. 4? No. No. Only 1. The answer is x is 1. Ming, did you get that? Well, I can check right now if we got it. No. You forgot it was integers. Ah, Ming. Okay. Did anyone get that? Good. Eva? Okay. Right. 6. No, sorry, what am I saying? What am I on now? 8. Okay. 5x plus 1 over root x equals 6. That's 5x plus 1 equals 6 root x. That's 5x minus 6 root x plus 1 equals 0. It's actually a quadratic. With root x and root x. 1 and 1. 5 and 1. And I need a minus and minus. 5x squared plus 1 minus 5. Yeah, that's it. So either root x equals a fifth or root x equals 1. So either x equals 25 or 1 over 25 or 1. And I think both answers work if you check them. Yeah, we did it in class, yeah, I know. I was being nice to you. 9. What are the roots? Oh, here we have to use the calculator. 2x squared plus 4x minus 9. So x equals minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac, is that right? All over 2a. So that's minus 4 plus or minus 88 over 4. I can actually simplify that a little bit more. That's minus 1. It just says decimal, so what's the first answer? Minus 2 point. Just one. What's the answer?
1.35.
Or
Minus 3.
Minus 3
point something.
3.5, I think.
yeah. Right. The quadratic x squared plus 4k x minus 8k has only one real root. Find k. So the discriminant should equal 0, yeah, which would be 16k squared plus 32k. That should equal 0, right? Divide by 16. So k squared plus 2k equals 0. Factor out k. K plus 2 equals 0. K equals 0 or minus 2. However, cannot be 0, so it's just the minus 2 answer. Next, 11 was you had to divide x plus 1 into x cubed plus 1. So the first one here should be x squared. That's x cubed plus x squared, leaving you with minus x squared plus 1. The next one is minus x squared minus x, leaving you with 1 plus x. The last one is 1, leaving you with x plus 1, remainder 0. What do I need to do in 12? What do I use in 12? Remainder theorem. The remainder will be 1 plus 9 plus 8 plus 4, which is 22, isn't it? Ah, too easy. And lastly, 13. I want you to solve y equals x plus 4 and y equals x squared plus x plus 3. So you get x plus 4 equals x squared plus x plus 3. That means you get x squared minus 1 equals 0, isn't it? X equals plus or minus 1. So when x is 1, y is 5. And when x is minus 1, y is 3. So the two answers are 1, 5 or minus 1, 3. So, pretty easy exam, right?
Yeah.
Too easy, maybe. Should have made it harder, huh?
So if you only like put the answers for 1 hour,
Say again?
if you only put the answers for 1 hour,
Say that again? What?
like I only got like I didn't get
Hang on. What question are we talking about?
13.
13, okay.
Yeah, so like I put in it. That's like x plus 4 equals to x plus, and then I got like to 1.
Yeah,
Then I used it to get 5.
yeah.
So like I didn't do the second part.
Ah, so I'll give you 0.
So it's
Okay.
over to like
No, it's like only one, get the points on.
Yeah, I put x is
Correct or
equal
wrong?
It's either right or it's either wrong.
to- Okay, but if you put x is equal to plus or 1 and y is equal to 5 and 3.
If you said x is equal to, say that again?
Plus, x is equal to plus or minus 1.
Yeah.
And y is equal to 5, comma 3. Yeah, this.
Okay, but it's very badly written because you're not making it clear to the reader if the plus 1 goes with the 5 or the 3.
Yeah.
So don't do this in future, okay? Any other questions? No?
If it's minus 2 and you go plus 2, is it not?
If it's what?
Minus 2 and you get plus 2.
Well, is minus 2 and plus 2 different numbers? So yes, it's wrong. Yeah. You know, for the same reason, if you go into a bank and you think your deposit is plus 2 and the deposit is minus 2 and the bank says, is that wrong? I think we'd all agree that that's wrong, right? In fact, we'd all be unhappy with it. Yeah. So, when's the physics? Tomorrow, isn't it? Wednesday. Ah, so we have a physics class tomorrow. Yeah, morning, yeah. Oh, I should tell you. Hey. The physics class tomorrow, right? I'll give you, what would you call it? Heads up, a warning, a little bit of advance information. It's important that you're not late for the class tomorrow. Extra important, I would say. And the reason will become clear tomorrow. But I would advise you not to be late for tomorrow's class. You'll find out why tomorrow.
I'm not the one teaching us.
No, I'll be there and I'll be teaching you.
We realize the exam in class.
Okay.
Okay, what's the worst of this?
No, not telling you anything.
Okay, so like if all of us now call, you still give us.
What are you talking about?
Like if everybody calls,
Can you give us the test tomorrow?
I'm not giving you the test tomorrow.
About, yeah, the stuff you wanted to give us.
Look, firstly, all I'm telling you is tomorrow, it's extra important you're on time for physics, and it's not because there's something nice happening or there's a test happening, it's for some other reason.
Oh, happy birthday in advance.
You'll find out tomorrow.
This is good.
No, it's not. Why have you got, what are you doing with that travel bag?
Well, I'm fixing something in the airport, like there's seats, like this, like.
What did you get out, hey, what did you get out of 13 here?
Probably, let's see, probably it's.
That's okay. That's okay. So look, we'll finish there a little bit early. You did your test. We went through the answers. I'll grade it soon, but who knows how long I'll take. And maybe next week I'll give you your results with the physics. The physics will be the same, except the questions are bigger because there's pictures, so they'll have both sides. For the physics, okay, make sure you bring your calculator on Wednesday. It's extra important. And also a ruler and a pencil for a graph question. Okay? Maybe or maybe not. But you should be prepared just in case.